Hello there and welcome on into another unboxing video here on ZapFeed. Today we are going to be unboxing the Minthouz 67W fast charger. Now, Minthouz did kindly send this out for review, so as always, we'll be doing the full review on this product, but it's quite a simple product, quite a basic product, but hopefully it'll achieve what its goal is to do. Now, this has actually got two USB-C ports on it, 67 watts as I mentioned as well, and it's also got a USB-A port as well for charging other devices. So this looks like the perfect all-in-one charger, the last charger you may ever need to buy, the perfect travel companion potentially. Who knows what this is going to be like. We're going to take a look at it right now. What is inside the box? The box itself is looking pretty good. I haven't actually opened it yet. It was just slightly open like that. I think it was just in the mail. So in the box it says you get the, of course, fast charger itself. You get one Type-C cable as well at 1.2 meters, which is fairly decent, and you get a quick start guide as well. I'd love to see what the quick start guide actually says because I don't know what else you need to know other than plug it in and plug in your devices. Now you can see on the top there as well, on the back here, it says the output is 5 volts to 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, and 15 volts 3 amps as well. Of course as well 20 volts 3.35 amps and 67 watt maximum output here from one of the USB ports, I believe, or USB-C ports. Oh, maybe two actually, and maybe the USB-A port is the slightly slower 30 watts. But here is the unboxing experience itself. As I said, very, very simple, very, very basic, but that's what we like, isn't it? We like simplicity here on this channel. So to kick things off, this is a nice addition. I feel like not all of these USB adapters and plugs will actually come with a cable itself, but that's a really nice touch from Minthouz. You can see here that they do have a nice Velcro strap, which you can then undo and reveal the cable itself. And as advertised, it is 1.2 meters, so a fairly nice length cable. Also, actually something I'm noticing straight away here, a lot of cables will have, of course, the plastic here, which this does. It's sort of a rubberized plastic sort of feel. Feels really nice. But this has actually got a metal finish on the connection point as well. A lot of cables will have that as a sort of rubber or a plastic even as well. You know, I know even on the Apple ones, they're sort of a plastic. So to have that as metal, really, really surprising actually, as to how nice quality that really is. We'll take a look at that in more depth in the full review in terms of how it holds up over time, but it does seem like that's gonna provide you that durability that you really need from USB-C cables. I will add it to the pile of about 45 that I've got within the last week. So of course, quick start guide. I mean, yeah, all right. I mean, it better be a quick start guide because what more do you need to know? Yeah, it's equipped with GAN technology. I'm gonna need to look up what GAN technology actually is. Check it out in the full review if you haven't seen it already. I'm sure I'll explain it all there as well. So yeah, you got dual ports. So you've got different power distribution depending on what your ports are doing. So of course the two USB-C ports are powered by 67 watts, and then the USB-A port is 30 watts. If you're using dual ports, so if you're using both USB-C ports, it will be 45 watts for the top one and 20 watts for the bottom. Whether you're using the top USB-C, that gives you the full 45, and then only 18 watts on the USB-A. And if you're using the bottom two, it's actually 15 watts between them. So it's actually interesting to know that there's a difference in the ports that you actually use. So if you're only using one, the maximum power output, you want to go for the top or the middle, of course the USB-C, as you can see here, and then of course the 30 watts for the USB-A. If you're using all three, then you get 45 watts for the top one, which is the high speed one essentially, and then 15 watts shared between the bottom two. So you know what, I was kind of joking about the quick start guide earlier, but that's quite useful. You also get all the safety information as well, quite straightforward. Don't plug it in and put water on it essentially, otherwise it won't end very well. So there is the box, not much left in there, quite straightforward in terms of an unboxing. Nice little packaged box though, I like it, I respect it a lot. Here is the cable or the adapter itself. We've had a look at the cable. Now I actually do a lot of traveling, so this could be the perfect travel companion for me. I know I'm looking for something that's just got sort of all-in-one cable, as now a lot more of my devices are USB-C, so maybe this can charge my laptop, my iPad, and my phone all in one, and also of course charge devices, maybe like my AirPods, which are actually Lightning, so you can use the USB-A for that as well. So of course you have some nice plastic, take that off, and some plastic around the edges as well. Let's see if we can get that off here right now. Is it going to come off? Yes, it is. And I will fly it around the desk, apparently. But here it is. So on the side, you have 67GAN on there as well. Again, we'll need to look up what that is. Maybe it pops up on the screen. We'll find out. Minthouz on the side as well. Nice logo, sort of printed on there. All this other information that I do not read, but I'm sure is very important. And someone will tell me in the comments that I'm foolish for not reading all that, but it is what it is. So yeah, as we expected. Type-C 1 at the top, that's the high power port. That's the one you want to be using. If you're only using one, the second one's equally as good, but that's the main one. So if you've got a couple of things plugged in, the top port is going to be the most important. We of course have the USB-A here as well. And let's actually just plug in the cable that it comes with to see how it connects. Really strong, really solid, not going to go anywhere, doesn't feel like it's going to pull out at any given moment, so that's always a good pass on that test. Doesn't feel like it's going to wiggle around or drop out, especially when you're traveling, when it's in your bag or something. Super important that it's not going to break or anything like that. USB-C 2, yeah, I mean, it plugs in, it works in terms of that aspect as well. I do actually have my phone here, so shall I try and plug it in? Let's do that. So you can't really see this, but I've got it plugged in there. The reason why is because it's powering the lights. But if I plug it into my phone, the top port, it needs to plug in and it is charging. So we are absolutely fine. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it plugs in, it charges. And this is going to be the perfect sort of bedside table companion to place in there. It works, it charges, so that's always a great start. And in terms of this product, very, very happy, very, very impressed so far with how it is looking, particularly with the cable as well, actually, something that was actually quite a nice surprise. The metal covering on the cable is a really welcome addition to this product. And yeah, that'll be about it, I guess, for this unboxing. Been a very simple unboxing, really straightforward, but that's, I guess, exactly what this product's about. Simplicity, reliability, and the ability to just charge multiple things at once. So I'm definitely gonna be using that on my travels. Stay tuned for that for all of you if you haven't seen it already as well, so make sure to check that out if you haven't. It's going to be breaking down everything that you need to know about this product, as well as all the stuff that I didn't know about before getting into it. So thank you all for watching this very quick unboxing video here on the channel. If you like this sort of content, then make sure to leave a like rating, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Also, check out this video on the screen or there, wherever it may be, for another video just like this one. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.